I was asked recently, couple of comments, what are the chances on the courier exchange of getting a there and back? One of them said, can you charge for return miles? One of them said, how many return jobs are there? The long and the short of it is, you get them sometimes. You don't get them very often. It seems like the ideal job. And to be honest with you, it kind of is the ideal job. I travelled recently from Cambridge back to Luton because there was a job on there which was going from Luton to Corby and then Corby back to Luton. And then it was home. Fantastic, you know? But there's a problems to it, and first how it comes about. So the main reason it's going to come about is if you go into a firm and it's got like it's got a delivery. This one particularly was RS, so you had to deliver the stuff and then bring back the empty containers, because RS takes its stuff in these particular boxes, so they want it in their boxes because it works with their processing and their storage and their stacking and all that kind of stuff. So it has to be sent up in their boxes, which is lovely. I took up a load of relatively light pallets and brought back a load of empty boxes. Fantastic, lovely. The only other time it ever happens is from one of my customers. They sell clothes, so I have to deliver. I might have to go and deliver a load of kids' trainers to, say, Preston, and then bring back some Harry Potter capes, because it's a bit like the mob up there. I've got a job lot of J.K. Rowling stuff like cabbage, and we've got a load of trainers, so they kind of do a swap, which is kind of nice again, because you get the money for there and you get the money for going back. A lot of the time we wait and return. They don't want to give you the full mileage there and back. Your customer, you might get lucky. Does it happen often? No, not really, because if you think about your own life. Think about, like, how many times do you get a delivery from Amazon, go, right, I've got some cat food coming in, some cat litter. By the way, driver, can you take this back to the warehouse? It doesn't happen, does it? People get stuff delivered. Someone makes something. They make a beam which needs to be delivered to site so that they can put it up to stop the roof falling down. They don't go, while you're at it, we've got a load of metal shavings over here that have got to go back to be turned into another beam. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it's nice. And there is a caveat, which is like when I used to work on a Luton van, back in the day, I often got that RS job in a Luton van. Hatfield to Corby, Corby back, and that was Hatfield to Nuneaton, that was Nuneaton back to Hatfield. Now in a Luton van, I tried to do 3 jobs a day. So you would go, say, Luton to Northampton, Northampton to Stevenage, Stevenage to Luton. Lovely, 1, 2, 3, nice triangle, bang, rounds it all off. Now in this particular job, and it paid like double money, so it's like 2 jobs in one, and wound me back up where I started. But I would get to sort of like Hatfield way, 2 o'clock, and I'm like, right, I'm not ready to go home now. I'm not ready to go home till 6. But any job I take from now is going to be Hatfield to Nottingham, Hatfield to Crawley, Hatfield to Swindon. Then I'm coming back empty, or I'm staying out, which in the Luton van is not so easy. So you're like, well, I'm kind of stuck now. So it's lovely. From close to home, there and back, no dead miles, but you always came in at slightly under your day's target because you don't get the opportunity to get the 3rd job. You could get lucky. You could go Luton to Hatfield, Hatfield to Corby, Hatfield to Nuneaton, Nuneaton back to Hatfield, and then maybe a pick up for the morning. Might be nice. Or you might get Hatfield to Dunstable. Never might have happened once in the all time I did it. So do wait and return jobs come up, not very often. Of course, if it's like decent miles, if you're saying like Dunstable and it's got to go to Leeds and back, that's lovely. Miles for there, miles for back, takes the whole day, booked in. Does it happen? Not very often, but it does happen sometimes, and when it does happen, it's nice. So when I get the offer to go there and back, even if I'm finished early, do I take it? Yeah, because it's still a day's money. It might be not the best day's money, but to me it's working smarter, not harder. I probably make the same amount of money, but because I might actually physically turn over less, but do less in diesel. End of the day, the choice is yours. You do you decide what's best for you, you find your way to take care and take money.